In this video, the first serious driving fault is response to the signs. The yellow sign tells us that the lane on the left after 800 yards will be completely closed. At this stage, careful observation must start. You should be checking your center and right mirror. You should notice that in the right lane, there is someone towing a trailer, means driving competitively at a lesser speed. And then there was a slip road on your left as well. So there's a very good chance people might be joining the main road from the slip road, and lane change should not be delayed. And we can see the driver in the video has completely ignored all the signs. He's so close to the cones. Literally the lane has ended. And I don't know how he saved himself from all these cones. And he moved back to the right. So this was the first serious driving fault. So now in this situation, it is very important to keep checking where the roadwork is finishing. And once both the lanes are available to drive again, you must move back to the left unless you're approaching a junction, and at that junction you're planning to turn right. The driver in this video, however, failed to realize that. He's continuously driving in the right lane, and also he has been undertaken by someone. So this is his second serious driving fault about normal driving position. He stayed in the right lane for too long unnecessarily. So now you will see how it should be done. The first sign tells us that after 800 yards, the lane on the left is shut. At that point, start checking your center and right mirror. In this video, dual carriageway seems not very busy, so driving in the left lane for a little bit longer is alright, but keep in mind you have to change lane very soon. Now the lane is closed after 400 yards and there is a slip road on the left. At this stage, we should not delay the lane change. So after careful center and right mirror check and signal, move to the right. However, now because we are driving in the right lane and the left lane is still open, so make sure you check center and left mirror. You should anticipate there might be someone who will be leaving the lane change right till the end, and people might try to jump in front of you. So very careful observation, very careful mirror checks, especially the left one. Once the road works are about to finish and the traffic ahead of us is moving to the left lane as well, so we should move back to the left as well.